Welcome, thanks for joining us today. We are going to look at a bridge from 1878. We are going to do archaeology without any digging. A very helpful plaque tells us that this bridge was built in 1878. Look how the ivy winds up the bridge supports. If left unpreserved, even stone or concrete supports would eventually crumble back into nature. This iron beam over time has oxidized. Oxidation is the scientific word for rust. Do you see the cast iron mold? The wide-scale production of iron and steel is a hallmark of the Industrial Revolution. I hope you enjoyed our journey to an archaeological site. I imagine you have archaeological sites like this in your community. Remember, you can do archaeology without digging. Take photographs of archaeological treasures and leave them in place for other people to experience. Thanks for watching. This is Prairie Scholar, where we play to learn and learn to play. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.